Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up the Solitaire card game. First, you will need a standard deck of 52 playing cards. Make sure to shuffle the deck thoroughly to ensure a completely random distribution of cards. This initial step is crucial for a fair and engaging game. Remember, the ultimate objective is to move all cards to the 4 foundation piles, building them up by suit from ace to king. Next, we will create the tableau, which consists of 7 piles. Deal the cards from left to right. The first pile receives 1 card, the second 2 cards, the third 3, and so on, until the 7th pile has 7 cards. Crucially, only the very top card of each of these 7 tableau piles should be turned face up. All the other cards beneath them remain face down. After setting up the tableau, any cards remaining in your hand will form the stock pile. Place this stock pile face down in the upper left corner, typically above the first tableau pile. Adjacent to the stock pile, leave an empty space. This will become your waste pile. During the game, you will draw cards from the stock and place them face up onto the waste pile. Finally, you need to designate 4 empty spaces for your foundation piles. These are usually positioned in the upper right corner, above the last few tableau piles, opposite the stock and waste. The goal is to build these foundations up by suit, starting with an ace and ending with a king. With these 4 areas defined, your solitaire game is now fully set up and ready to begin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.